Yes! Yo, I just caught the major dub. Yo, what is up, YouTube? It is your boy Sneaker Life, and I'm back with another video. And here, I caught a nice little restock. Before we get into this video, I wanted to show you guys the sponsor, Poshmark. Now, if you don't know what Poshmark is, basically, it's an application that allows you to sell your stuff. I know a lot of you guys want to make money. I've mentioned this plenty times before, but time to time, you know, you come up on something. And I would say Poshmark is an easy way to get rid of it. On here, you can sell your Nike, you can sell your Supreme, you can sell your LV, whatever you have, any designer, or you can get it for cheap. Major steals. I'll show you guys what my closet looks like. Basically, it's full of different items. I have stuff from Supreme to, you know, stuff that I found at the mall. I have different shoes, I have jerseys, just stuff that I need to get rid of. You know, my apartment isn't the biggest, so I'll always be listing stuff on there to get rid of it. A couple of the newest items that I have for sale is actually one being this Yeezy hat that matches the turtle doves. This Mitchell & Ness Lakers hat, just something that maybe one of you guys would want. This 7 3/8 Supreme hat. It is actually the Polar Tech. It comes down, covers your ears. I'm not in Colorado. We got 97-degree weather out here in LA, so I'm definitely not gonna need this. And on the back, you guys can see world famous. Last but not least is this checkered weave camp hat in the pink. This is actually really fire. You know, just something that I can't say looks the best on me. Maybe it looks good on you. If you want to download the free application, the links will be down below in the description. If any of you guys do decide to make a closet, make sure to get the link for your closet and put it down in the comment section so other people can check your stuff out. Maybe we can make this like a nice little selling thread. Oh, and I do have a few different sneakers, but you have to check out my closet to see what they are. Steals.
When he was born, although in evolutionary spirit, I thought I wanted to see his birth. There was a fear there of seeing blood.
The most iconic sneakers. You know, I had two pairs of these, right? I had a pair from 2000. Like, it was an old pair. It's like, it was 2001, but I actually had two pairs of 2001. And when I heard that these were going to drop, this is like a shoe that I skipped, you know? It was really strange for me to skip one of my most favorite shoes. Actually, I got too many favorite shoes, but one of the shoes that was just kind of like a must for me. I was lucky enough to pick these up in a 12.5. They did restock on East Bay, and that's kind of like one of the discussions that I wanted to go into. You know, Jordan Brand is really playing with us as far as limited. The reason I say that is because things sell out. It's almost like they're all working together. Things do sell out. The threes did sell out instantly almost. But then, you know, a few weeks passes, a few days, months, boom. Restock. So it makes you wonder, how many pairs are there? What are they doing? This one, my Jumpman looks kind of pregnant. I'm not even gonna front. And this is from East Bay. Tell me he doesn't look like he got a little belly. This is more like Sumo Jordan. I find that weird. That's actually really crazy. But I feel like Jordan Brand is really playing that game of, oh, it's limited for now. They really keep going back and forth with it. So all I can say now is, if you really want a shoe and you don't get it on release date, it might restock, man. You just gotta turn on the proper notifications. I'm gonna have to shout out J23 on this one. You know, I have the post notifications turned on, and as soon as I got the notification that the threes had restocked, I also have the app. I went in, checked out, boom, got them, here they are, and you know, I'm happy. It's cool. I got two pairs now. I'm gonna have to do a late on foot review of these. I'm just like tripping, like, why didn't I do a review of these shoes? Like, where did that go? I didn't even talk about one of Why did I not talk about these? I'm tripping. How many of you guys picked up the cement threes? How many of you want them? Are they on your list? One thing I will say about these is it is kind of annoying how bulky they are. It's like having bricks on your feet, but it's just a shoe you can't go wrong with. This is a shoe that's gonna be worth a lot in the long run, I guarantee it. That's why I usually always cop two pairs. One to rock, one to stock. Maybe if I destroy one pair, I can bring out another. Here's a question for you guys. I want you to drop a comment. What shoe did you buy that you sold or you destroyed and you wish you could get another pair? For me personally, it was my white cement. 4s. I had 3 pairs of them. I sold 2 of them thinking, oh man, they're not really that limited. You know, they're easy to get. I'll be able to get them in a while, in the long run. And now I've been struggling. My pair is destroyed. Like, I wore them into the ground and now I'm trying to get another pair, but I'm too stingy to pay the resale. So let me know what shoe that is for you. But this is your boy Sneaker Life. Make sure to download that free application like I told you guys at the beginning of the video, but I'll catch you in the next one. Run it.
Hands in the air.
Yo, thank you guys so much for watching, man. If you could check out this video or check out this video, I definitely appreciate it. Yeah.